Good evening. Welcome to the Sounds of Christmas at Winter Art Fest. My name is Brian Wade. I'm superintendent of the Shenandoah Valley School District. This evening we have the special occasion to have our fourth graders here playing recorder. After our fourth graders play, you'll be able to enjoy our sixth grade band and also then our high school band. We ask that you stay to listen to all of the students play tonight, because you will be able to see then how students progress from fourth grade through sixth grade through the high school. And you will enjoy your experiences now as fourth grade parents, those of you here, as much as you will enjoy the experience of those that are in the high school. It once has been said that art is music to the eye. Hopefully you were able to see some of the music through our art tonight in the VA. And music is art to the ear. At this point in time, I'm going to turn it over to Miss Bidding so that she can have music go through your ears and touch your soul. Miss Bidding.
The group in front of you is the fourth grade recorder ensemble. We will be performing March of the Toy Soldiers from the Nutcracker. We hope you enjoy this classical holiday song.
All right, at this time, if you are a fourth grade parent, please stand up so your child can find you. We're going to transition into the band portion of the program, so please be patient as we get the band onto the stage and the fourth graders off of it. Thank you.